Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. In this video, I wish to show you what I mostly use as skincare products and most importantly, how I make them at home. They are so easy to make and are inexpensive and effective. One thing I like most about these products is that they're completely natural and free from chemicals. All ingredients I use are already available in the kitchen. Take 1 cup of green moong dal, that is green gram, and blend it into powder for about 2 minutes. I like to keep the powder a bit coarse. Next, take 1 cup of chickpeas, that is Bengal gram, and blend it into a fine or coarse mixture. Normally in Indian households, you have this commonly available. It is called besan or chickpea flour. The same way, take 1 cup oats and blend it into fine mixture. That is it. In no time, natural and homemade skincare products are ready. These 3 ingredients can be a good substitute for face body wash. As I'm a busy working mom, I make a batch every month and it comes in handy when I'm on the go. This is how I use the green gram powder as a face wash. All you need to do is take some green gram powder, mix it with water and scrub your face with it and wash it off. When regularly used, the skin will become nice and soft. Using oats, I like to make a quick and easy face pack. Oats is very good for the skin. It gently exfoliates, retains moisture and makes skin soft and bright. I mix the oats powder with yogurt and little honey into a paste. Then apply the mixture on my face and neck. Leave it for about 10 minutes and rinse it with lukewarm water. Next face mask I like to make is from besan or chickpea flour. To the besan, add pinch of turmeric, yogurt and honey. Mix it into a paste. I then apply the mixture on my face and neck. Leave it for about 10 minutes and rinse it with lukewarm water. I hope you guys liked this video. Please do give this video a like. Do subscribe to my channel and remember to click on the bell icon to receive notifications of my future videos. Take care until we meet next time. Bye.